How will we develop to the some conceptual knowledge about the thermodynamics and how it is useful in our daily life. What is the thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the branch of physics which deals study to the transforming of the heat energy, and it is also work in three variable: pressure, volume and temperature. Like as PVT. The pressure, volume and temperature, that will be basically depend upon the thermodynamics, and it will be also function in the different appliances of the thermodynamics. If the pressure constant in any system, that process is known as isobaric. If the volume constant, that is known as isocuric. If the temperature constant, that is known as isotherm. To like as the different types of the application is useful in the thermodynamics, and we are also used to the two types of wall in the thermodynamics. One is diathermic wall and another is adiabatic. What is diathermic wall? When the temperature to be remain constant, that the process is known as the dithermic. To like as when the person used to the cooker for any substance to, then the temperature to be constant of burner, that is also equal to the temperature inside of the cooker, because the heat energy to be transferred and the temperature to be constant, that process is known as the isothermal. If the adiabatic wall, to like as in that say system, then that no transformation of heat energy from inward to outward or outward to inward. Today in that time, that was the winter season, and we observed that the hot temperature to be constant, because the hot wall is also behave as the adiabatic. Therefore, the no transformation of heat energy from inward to outward or outward to inward. If the outside medium and outside surrounded medium, if the temperature is like as the 5 degree or 10 degree, but the another temperature of the inside of the hut, that temperature is more than in comparison of the surrounded medium, because the adiabatic wall to be constant the temperature. If inside the temperature of the hut, that was approximately 15 or 18 degree, that will be constant and no transformation of heat energy from inward to outward. That is the process of adiabatic. And the thermodynamics is also functioning the different our appliances, to like as the heat engine. What is the heat engine? Heat engine is that system of the process. It is also function in the three main parts. One, source. We use the petrol and diesel, that is also we have as the source. And second, that was the working substance to use as the water and air, and the sink, that was the unusual thing go outside from the body. To like as the any two-wheeler bikes, when the person to be deliver the petrol or diesel inside of the chamber, then the inside of chamber there have the molecules to be compressed to each other. In presence of the oxygen, then it will be burned with help of the sparking plug, and the piston to be up and down. It is connected from the crankshaft, and by when we change to the gear and take the accelerator, then bike to be going forward direction, and unusual thing of the like as a bus with help of the silencer to go in outside of the body. That process is known as sink, and the phenomena is also function at the thermal. Now the another concept, optics. What is the branch of physics? Is deal study to the behavior of light and also study to the application of light. In the previous class at the level of 10, you observed that reflection, refraction, total internal reflection. That was basically ray optics, because the combination of two or more points, that is will be formed a ray, and two or more ray, that is formed a beam. If the bundle of ray, that is called a photon. To like as the sunlight. Sunlight, that is the combination of ray. If the maximum number of ray, that is also behave as the photon, and it will be developed to the great amount of electricity by the photosensitive plate. That is the example of the system of the ray optics. But what is the wave optics? In our daily life we observe that when a person to be clean the cloth with help of the soap, and afterward we observe that some soap bubble is formed at our cloth, and we look at the 7 color of the light in the soap bubble. That is the process of interference. What is the interference of light? When the ray of light is entered by the small hole or point, and it will be scattered in the different direction. In that point the intensity of light is high, like as a ray of light is strike on the screen, and it will be converted in different form. If the intensity of light is high, then it will be formed the constructive interference. If the intensity of light is weak, that is the destructive interference. Destructive and constructive, that was the formation of interference of light. We observe that when we buy anything to like as the paper, book, any new material, we observe that the MRP number, like as the MRP, and we observe some dark line and bright line. From above to the MRP of any substance. That was the bar coding, and it is also followed to the property of interference of light. The dark line that will be so that 1, 2, 3, 4 something. The dark line that was so that the destructive interference is W barabar d lambda by d. It is generally fringe width, and we observe the value of the total cost of the book or anything to buy it. That is interference. When the peacock to be swing their wings or flap their wings, we observe the 7 color of light on the peacock wings. That is also interference of. In soap bubble we observe the 7 color. That is the example of the wave optics, and that is the interference. And we observe the diffraction of light when we observe any, like as the tube light, bulb etc. between the gap of your fingers. अगर इनके गैप के बीच में आप देखेंगे तो लाइट यहाँ आपको मुड़ती हुई दिखाई देगी. तो ये बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट, दैट इज आल्सो वेव ऑप्टिक्स, एंड इट इज कॉल्ड द डिफ्रैक्शन. ठीक है. बाय द वे, जैसे सीडी आपने लिया, सीडी पे ऐसे चमका रहा है, तो सीडी पे लाइट ऐसे बेंड हो जाए. सीडी पे घर में स्टेयर पे लाइट ऐसे बेंड हो जाती है. तो बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट एट शार्प एजेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिफ्रैक्शन, एंड इट इज द अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ wave optics. Another example, when we wear the sunglasses to like as something, to like as that. If the sunglasses person to be wear it, that is also application of the polarization. What is the polarization? When the person to be use the sunglasses to like as, that was the polarized film. And what is the polarized film? Because that is the combination of quinine or nitrocellulose. Therefore, the different companies to be make the different types of the sunglasses, but the some sunglasses to be costly. When we buy some sunglasses at the footpath, that cost is 15 rupees, and we bought sunglasses in the branded companies, that cost is more than 2,000, 1,500 approximately. What is the difference between this type of sunglass and footpath sunglass? Because the footpath sunglass we never use to the quinine or nitrocellulose film, that will be protect our body from the ultraviolet light. ठीक है. तो afterward जो ultraviolet light होगी, that reason is that the represented by dot and arrow. What is the dot? That will be interference of light. Yeah, in that point the intensity of light is high, that is polarized light. If the intensity of light is low, when the light to be passes from the sunglasses, the intensity of light to be changed, and that is called an unpolarized light, and our eye is very sensitive organ, and it will be followed to the wave optics. In night when we travel by bus and car at highway, in the night the driver to be always on and off the light of the car or buses, like as deeper. When the person to be applied the force on the deeper, then the light to be reflect on the another person of the light, and the driver to be observed that the driver is sit inside of the chamber of the glass. That will be the chamber of glass, that is also behave as the sandwich type of story. What is sandwich? When the two bread like as upper and lower level, and between we put the cheese, butter, etc. That shape is behave as sandwich, and the polarized film is also behave as the sandwich. जो क्वार्टर जो वहाँ ग्लास यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग फ्लिंट ग्लास, वो फ्लिंट ग्लास क्या होता है? दैट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू ग्लासेस, एंड इनसाइड हैव द quinine or nitrocellulose film. Then high intensity ray of light to be converted in low intensity light. Then the driver will not be deflect their eyes in the presence of any bus and car, and it will be easily drive bus and car. That is also followed to the phenomena of polarization. Today in the modern period, and we are also use the different types of the modern camera, and we take the photo of the sun at the afternoon like as 1 p.m. or approximately 12 p.m. In that point, in the season of the summer, the intensity of light is maximum, and our picture to be deflect, more brightness. But we use to the laser cameras, that is the polarized film in the lens, and we can observe or take the picture in actual form. That is also effect of polarization. That was the different types of the concept which is useful in the physics, and how will be applicable in the different terms of life. Okay, goodbye.